So today we'll be talking about differentiation. So we'll be starting from the general method. The general method of differentiation. We know if, for example, if y is equal to a x raised to the power of n, the y all over the x is equal to a, this n will come over here, n x n minus 1. Also, if y is equal to a constant, the y all over the x is equal to 0. So if you differentiate a constant, you get 0. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We'll take some examples. Example. Differentiate with respect to x given 1, y is equal to x raised to the power of 5 minus 4x raised to the power of 3 plus 6x minus 3. 2. If y is equal to x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 all over 2 x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 all over x. Let's take another one. Number 3. If y is equal to a x raised to the power of 3 plus 2b x squared plus cx plus 7. So solution. Solution 1. The y all over the x for this function, the y all over the x will be 5 multiplied by x, 5 minus 1 minus 4 raised to the power of x, 4 multiplied by 3, x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 6x 1 minus 1 minus 3. So we have this as 5x raised to the power of 4. Of course, 5 minus 1 is 4. Then here we have 4 times 3, which is 12. X raised to the power of 2 plus, of course, 1 minus 1 is 0. So anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So x raised to the power of 0 is 1. So you have 6. And if you differentiate the constants, you get 0. So this is our answer for this. That is minus 0. Therefore, the y all over the x is equal to 5x raised to the power of 4 minus 12x squared plus 6. We go over to 2. Number 2 says if y is equal to x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 all over 2 x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 all over x. The first thing we have to do is to rearrange this so that it will be easier for we to solve. We can still write it as x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 all over 2 x squared minus x raised to the power of minus 1 from indices. So the y all over the x will be equal to, so we are differentiating this function with respect to x. Please, for more on this, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we have 3 will come over to give us 3x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 minus 1 all over 2. This 2 will come over here to give us multiplied by 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1, and this minus negative 1 will come over to give us negative 1 x raised to the power of minus 1 minus 1. So we have 3x raised to the power of 2. This multiplied by this can cancel this. We left with minus x, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we leave it. Here we have negative 1 multiplied by negative 1. We have plus x raised to the power of minus 1 is minus 2. So the y dx is equal to this. Number 3, we have if y is equal to ax raised to the power of 3 plus 2bx squared plus cx plus 7. The y all over the x, that is differentiating with respect to x. We have a3 will come over to give us, 3a x raised to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 2 will come over to this place to give us 4b x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 plus, if you differentiate this, you get c x raised to the power of 1 minus 1, which is 0, plus, if you differentiate a constant, which is 7, you get 0. So the y all over the x will be equal to 3a x raised to the power of 2 plus 4b x raised to the power of 1, but we won't write this one because it's the same thing, plus 1 minus 1 is 0. So x raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 multiplied by c is c plus 0. So our answer will be the y dx is equal to this. So this is how to compute differentiation for the general method. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.